Today we are at Pictured Rocks Cruises and we're about to get on this boat, the Pictured Rocks Express, and head out to the National Lakeshore. And because it's called Pictured Rocks, we thought it would be a good idea to have a picture contest or a photo contest. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have Andy versus me to see who can get the best photo while we're out on this tour. This one, it should be fun. Let's go.
This is really nice. They have these speakers here so you can hear everything that the captain's saying and talking about all the different rocks and formations.
Well, Munising Bay is it's roughly about 2 miles wide by right around 4 miles long and right around 229 feet deep.
We're doing a photo contest to see who can get the best photo. Does anybody want to do that with us? You'll do it? Okay, you're in. You're in? All right. All right, you're in too? Awesome. What do you got?
A Pixel 4a.
Okay. We got a wild card. He's not running an iPhone today.
No. It takes some pretty decent photos.
Have you got any good photos yet?
Yeah, I have a filter on it though.
What?
I have a filter on it. God use filters?
Oh yeah.
I came down here to switch the level up and got a couple really awesome ones.
You got any good photos yet?
A couple good ones, yeah.
We're about halfway through the tour, and the one thing that I'm starting to realize is everybody's kind of getting good photos, and I think that might be the benefit of Pictured Rocks, is it doesn't matter what you have, you can take a photo and it's going to be beautiful. All right, I'm going to keep listening to this tour.
Well, these cliffs, they do continue though for roughly about another mile. Then there's that sand beach called 12 Mile Beach. It goes to the furthest point in the distance called Au Sable Point. And right around Au Sable Point is a small village called Grand Marais. If you ever happen to make it over to Grand Marais, do not miss the sand dunes that they have over there. They extend some 300 feet above this lake.
So far, the most impressive part to me is the fact that these rocks are so many different colors. The tour explains why each color is the way that it is, but I just get to enjoy them.
And this is Spray Falls. Spray Falls is kind of unique. It's one of the only waterfalls that runs year round. And what happens is ice column will form, and the water will run right through the middle of that ice column.
Here's my thoughts on this cruise. Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore is pretty big, and if you were to try to hike it all, it would take you like a really long time. So what I think that a most efficient way to do it would be to come out, take one of these tours, and then once you kind of get your bearings, then you'll say, okay, I want to go to these 2 or 3 major landmarks by foot. This way, you know what the whole thing looks like, and it'll help you in your perspective when you're hiking. So we did pick up a few people along the way that wanted to be part of our photo contest. Here's everybody here. Who thinks they got the best photo?
Yeah, that's the guy, obviously.
See, we have some really confident people because it's so easy to take good photos here. But what we're going to do is we're going to put up all the photos 1 through 6. And then we're going to have you vote on your favorite. So comment below which one you like the most. All right, that's it for us. Till next time, cheers.